Many people dream of escaping the 9 to 5. They crave freedom and flexibility. I was one of them. I wanted to design a life on my terms. That's where the idea of an online course first took root. I had knowledge and experience to share. I knew others could benefit from my journey. The thought of empowering others while achieving location independence was incredibly motivating. Plus, the potential for passive income was very attractive. The online course format made so much sense. It offered a scalable way to reach a global audience. I could create something valuable once and share it with thousands. The potential impact was truly exciting. Getting started was both exhilarating and terrifying. I was excited by the possibilities, but overwhelmed by the sheer amount of work. Planning the curriculum felt like building a house without blueprints. Every idea seemed crucial, and I struggled to prioritize. What did students truly need to know? How could I present the information in a clear and engaging way? These questions kept me up at night. Recording the course material was its own challenge. I'm a natural introvert, so being on camera felt awkward at first. I had to practice repeatedly to feel comfortable. Technical difficulties always seemed to pop up at the worst possible times. From software crashes to audio issues, it was a constant battle. There were moments when I questioned everything. Was this really going to work? Would anyone even care? The doubts were relentless, but I pushed through the doubts. I focused on delivering exceptional value. I reminded myself why I started this journey in the first place. I reminded myself that perfection is the enemy of progress. Each step forward, no matter how small, was a victory. I knew that even if the course wasn't perfect, it would still be helpful to someone, and that made all the effort worthwhile. With the course content complete, it was time to find my audience. I knew that creating a great course was only half the battle. I had heard horror stories of course creators pouring their hearts into projects that no one bought. The fear of failure loomed large. I was determined to avoid that fate. I wanted my hard work to pay off and reach the people who needed it most. I knew I needed a solid marketing plan. Without it, my course would just be another forgotten project. I focused on building an email list. This was my first step towards creating a dedicated community. I offered valuable free content in exchange for email addresses. This strategy helped me gather a list of interested individuals. This allowed me to connect with potential students and build trust. Trust is crucial in any marketing effort. I also leveraged the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook became my allies. Sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of my process and engaging with my audience helped me humanize my brand. Collaborations were also key. Partnering with other creators in my niche allowed me to tap into their existing audiences. This expanded my reach significantly. I offered affiliate commissions, creating a win-win situation. Affiliates promoted my course and we both benefited, but most importantly, I stayed true to myself. Authenticity was my guiding principle. I didn't try to be someone I wasn't. My audience appreciated my genuine approach. Authenticity resonated with my audience. It was the foundation of my successful marketing strategy. Section 4, the payoff, results, impact, and lessons learned. The launch day arrived and the anticipation was palpable. I was a nervous wreck, filled with anxiety and doubt about how everything would turn out, but my worries were soon replaced by elation. Students enrolled and positive reviews poured in, validating all the hard work. People were finding value in what I had created, and it was resonating with them on a deep level. It was an incredible feeling, a mix of relief and joy that words can hardly describe. The course far exceeded my initial expectations, both in terms of enrollment numbers and the impact it had. It generated significant income, allowing me to achieve a level of financial freedom I had only dreamed of. This was a game changer, but the true reward was the impact I was making. Seeing others benefit from my work was priceless. I received countless messages from students sharing their successes, their gratitude shining through every word. They were starting businesses, pursuing passions, and living more fulfilling lives, all thanks to the course. Looking back, the journey was filled with challenges, each one a lesson in disguise, but it was also incredibly rewarding, a testament to perseverance and dedication. I learned that the biggest obstacle is often ourselves, our own fears and doubts. We let fear, doubt, and perfectionism hold us back, paralyzing us into inaction. But when we embrace imperfection and take action, amazing things can happen. The journey is worth every step. Section 5, your turn, embracing the online course journey. Creating an online course is a transformative experience. It's a chance to share your knowledge, empower others, and design a life you love. If you have valuable information to share, I encourage you to take the leap. Don't let fear hold you back. The world needs your unique voice and perspective. Start small, take action, and never stop learning. The journey won't always be easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. Embrace the adventure, and who knows, you might just surprise yourself.